Hey there everyone! Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up a Google Meets live stream lesson, as well as how to record that lesson to post for your students later. We're going to get started in any Google application. I happen to be in Drive. We're going to go to this little waffle and we are going to press Calendar. Alright, once we're in Calendar, we are going to create an event for whenever we want our lesson to take place. Oh, I already made one earlier. Let me delete that real quick. I'm going to create an event to be going on right now. We will call this a demo lesson. It's going to be happening from 2:47 to 2:50 because that's as long as this video is going to be. Now, we're going to go down to more options and click on that. It's important that we add conferencing to our video or to our event, otherwise there won't be a Google Meets opportunity for students. And we're also going to press the drop down menu here and go to add live stream. So first you're going to add Hangout Meets and then you're going to add the live stream. You'll see that it's on there because there's an option to remove it. Then we're going to save our event. Alright, now you'll see there's an event occurring any minute. And I'm going to go back up to this little waffle and go to Google Meet so I can be part of this meeting. It's starting right now, so I'm going to join. This little screen over here, you're not in the meeting yet. It's just showing you that your microphone is working and that your video is working. So now we're going to press Join Now. Awesome. Because we want this recorded, we want to be able to go back and watch it again later, our lesson, we're going to go down to these three dots over here. This is very important. And we're going to press Record Meeting. Accept. If we don't record the meeting, we don't have access to it after it's over. So up in this left-hand corner, you'll see it just started recording. Now we can press Start Streaming. We're ready. Awesome, and that'll show up when it says live. We've started streaming. Alright, at this point I can begin my lesson. So maybe I'm walking through some kind of a task with my students. They can leave me comments over here and questions. And their messages are also recorded so I can see what they're saying. I can also see who is in my group. Obviously it's just me right now. And you can click on yourself at any point to get rid of that. If you want to reflect what's on your computer screen to students, this is super helpful. You can go to Present Now. And now, when it tells me, students are going to see, perfect, students are going to be able to see whatever assignment I am working on. So if I have this up on my screen, students are seeing this. Maybe I'm going to start by reading the short story, walking through it, doing the first couple questions with my students. Totally up to you. And whenever you are done working on your other assignment, maybe you do some typing, answer some questions, then you can go back to your video and press Stop Presenting. It's important to know that even while your screen is being shared, students can still see your face. So don't use this as time to fix your hair, whatever. Make silly faces at your dog because your students can still see you even when your screen is reflected. Now that I'm done with my lesson, very short lesson, I'm going to stop recording. A link will be sent to me soon. And I'm also going to stop streaming. Yep. And now I can hang up on this call. Awesome. Now, you'll see this folder has popped up in my Google Drive. It wasn't there until I started making these videos, but it says Meet Recordings. And if I wait 5 to 10 minutes, a recorded version of my lesson is going to show up in this folder. So we're just going to pause the video, check back in a few minutes, and see what our video looks like. Alright guys, so you'll see 5 minutes have gone by, but at this point I just got an email from Google Meet saying that my recording is ready. So you'll see right here, they've sent me my recording, and I can open it or download it from here. 2 other ways to see my recording. Like I said, there's this folder. You can open this up, and you'll see all 4 of the videos I have attempted to do. Here's the one from today. The last place you're going to see this is if you click back on our event. Now there will be a link to it where your kids or you can open up your demo lesson. So let's open that up. This is just really quickly to show you what view your students will have if you record a lesson. Let's play it. You'll see it just started recording. Now I'm going to mute that so you don't hear 2 of me. Generally, this is what they'll see when you're talking, except for the moments where you decide, let me get there, to share your screen. When you share your screen, like I said, there's a screen of what your computer looks like, and there's also still this picture over here of you. They will be able to see both of these in your recording. So again, don't make goofy faces at your dog because the kids can see you. Or maybe you do. Depends on how cool you are as a teacher, I guess. And this is what the recording of your lesson would look like for your kids. Okay? Let's exit out of here. That pretty much covers all of the basics for your creating a lesson and recording it to post to your students. So you can take that link then, put it in Google Classroom, put it in an email, put it on your YouTube channel, whatever your heart desires. I hope that's helpful, and thank you.